Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another tutorial video. So today I will be doing the knotless box jumbo braid. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And for all my old subscribers, go on, big up on yourself. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. So I will be reusing my Fianna's braid. I recently used this braid in one of my videos, so I'm going to conduct this tutorial with this braid. However, I will be giving you the easiest or one of the easiest ways to get this braid done. By the time I'm through with this tutorial, you guys will be doing this by yourself, so stay tuned. So I already went ahead and did the lower back of the ear off camera to show you a preview of what it's going to be. So I'm going to begin by sectioning the hair to receive the first box. So after I'm through sectioning the hair, I'm going to part the hair into 3 equal parts. So that same box that I already part out from the rest, I'm going to divide it into 3. Then I'm going to apply my ear wax so that I can get a sense of neatness. So after I apply the ear wax, I'm going to comb it through. So naturally when you're plaiting, your index and your thumb do majority of the work. I'm right-handed, so it feels more comfortable starting off with my right thumb and my right index finger. Then I'm going to follow through with my left thumb and my left index finger, just as I'm doing. So it's actually a 1-2 crossover. So I'm going to cross over 1 and then I'll come back across 2. So when I say crossover, meaning I'm going to cross over the first set of hair from my right hand, that's 1, and then the second set of hair, 2 with the left hand. Okay, and after I do the 1-2, that's when I'm going to start adding the braids or feeding the braids. So I'm going to place the braids between my thumb and my index finger. In order for the braids not to clash together, I'm going to set aside the piece that I'm not using at the moment above the mannequin's head. Then I'm going to do the 1-2 braid again, and then I'm going to add it just as I'm doing. So it's 1-2 add. So after I'm through adding the first braids, I'm going to go through again and add a second set of braid. Same procedure. So it's the same procedure, 1-2 add, 1-2 add. So I actually use 3 strands of braids, and after I'm through adding all those braids, I'm going to plait all the way through to the end, and then I'm going to add the beads. Okay, so just a quick side note, when it comes on to the volume of your braids, meaning how thick or full it might look, so based on your desire or your goal, so if you want your braids to have a fatter version than mine, you know you have to add more braids. Cool. Now if you want them little knee height braids there or them little ankle height braid there, you know you have to add more than 3 strands of braids. So the volume and the length will have to match. Cool. So if you want it fatter, you know you have to go fat all the way through the same amount of braids. Just a quick sidebar. Okay, so based on the size that I'm going for, so if I should finish this entire hair, by the time I'm through, I will receive approximately 14 braids. So what is going to happen is I'm going to have 2 at the back, as you can see, 3 in the second row, 3 in the third row, 1 on each side, and 4 at the very top. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!